Hi, everyone. We're going to do some product rule problems. Okay, so taking derivatives of things that are multiplied together. Okay, things that are contain x's in them. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is the derivative of x plus 1 times 2x minus 3. Okay, now remember the product rule says we take the derivative of the first piece, multiply it by the second as it is, and then do the first piece as it is times the derivative of the second. Okay, so the way that works out, derivative of the first piece, x plus 1, is 1, okay, times the second piece as it is, and that's 2x minus 3. Okay, then what we do is we add, right, fg prime, so we take the first piece as it is, so x plus 1, okay, and multiply it by the derivative of the second piece, which is 2. All right, now some teachers will let you leave it this way. This is pretty easy to distribute and combine like terms, so let's do that. So the 1 we can just kind of ignore because 1 times anything is itself. So then we have 2x minus 3 plus 2x plus 2, which equals 4x minus 1. Okay. You could also remember you don't have to use the product rule. You can multiply these things out and do the derivatives of the terms individually. Okay, when you get the trinomial, the quadratic trinomial. Okay. Let's do the next piece. All right, so we're doing derivative of x squared times e to the x. All right, so same deal. We do, actually, I should leave this up for reference. Okay, so we do the derivative of the first piece times the second piece as it is, plus the first piece as it is times the derivative of the second piece. Remember, derivative of the e to the x is actually just e to the x. Okay, so we can leave it like this, or we could factor out the e to the x since it's in both terms and write it as e to the x times 2x plus x squared. Okay, so this is a nice way to put your answer. Next one, we've got x times sine x. Okay, derivative of the first piece is 1. Sine x as it is, plus x as it is times derivative of sine x, which is cosine x. Okay, we can just cross out the 1 because multiplying by 1 doesn't matter. And we get sine x plus x cosine x. Okay, and I'll just note that the order of these doesn't matter because it's plus. The order of these doesn't matter. So you could, if you mess up the order, just continue. Just do it the other way. Do it vice versa, right? That's fine. Okay, as opposed to the quotient rule where it's not fine if you mix up the order because that uses subtraction. Okay. All right. So we just did x sine x. So now it's time for d dx of x squared plus 6 in parentheses times natural log of x. Derivative of the first piece is 2x, and we'll multiply that by ln x. And then we will add the first piece as it is. Derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x, so multiplied by 1 over x. We could rewrite this as a single fraction, so 2x, not the whole thing is a single fraction, but just the second piece, plus x squared plus 6 over x. We could also split this up, so that would be x plus 6 over x, right? Because you can do that with denominators that are multiple pieces, but we can just leave it like this for now. Okay. And then our last problem okay, is derivative of x cubed minus 2x times 2x plus 5. And that equals, okay, we'll do derivative of the first piece, which is 2 terms, so I'll keep it in parentheses, so that's 3x squared minus 2 times the second piece as it is, 2x plus 5, plus first piece as it is, x cubed minus 2x times the derivative of the second piece, which is 2. Okay, and typically, because this would be a lot of work to multiply out and combine, we can leave it like this. All right, so that's that for the product rule, and I will see you in the next video.